Ready?
Three. Oh wait.
2,
Oh, okay.
1, action. Let's do another take. So don't look at your phone twice. Just have it like where so you get to like action.
I'm gonna walk in.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Good?
Yeah.
Wait, get it right now. Punch him. Punch him. Yeah, I know it's all flying the
Just
other
a
way.
little bit, you know. Oh, that's nice. Wait, hold on. Just one more. Just one more. I know. I'm sorry. Oh. Dude, we should have him drive away. That was perfect timing. That was really good.
Damn it.
Wait, Stefan, you didn't get in the car? Dude, that was so good. Yo, Jesse, you would crack up at this.
I know.
It's literally happening right in your face.
Alright, go first.